So often when you're working on really large scenes in Blender, objects which are really far away can start to clip into the background. So to fix this, what I can do is hit the N key to open up the side panel, and I can go to the view option here. And there is a clip start and a clip end. So this clip end, I could, for example, just add another 0 to this, and now you can see it's going to go way out into the background so I can see everything in the scene. Now the same thing can actually happen for really small objects. So if I have a very small object and I zoom in, you can see it is clipping just a little bit there. So what I can do is take the clip start and maybe turn this to like half the size, maybe like a 0.005, and now I can zoom in quite a bit closer, maybe even turn this way down to 0.001, just turn it down until the clip start is much smaller so you can zoom in closer to objects. But if you turn the clip start to a very small number, you can sometimes get some artifacts. So you can see as I move around here, there are some weird artifacts and things and some glitching. So you want to make sure you don't turn it down too small to kind of fix those weird glitching issues. So it's still a little bit there. So let me just turn this up just a little bit. So that looks a bit better. Now if I hit the 0 on the numpad to go into the camera view, you can see it's also clipping in the camera like it was before. And that's because the camera has separate settings. So if you select the camera, what you want to do is go over to the side panel and go over here to the object data properties. And then right here on lens, you can see there's also a clip start and end for the camera. So you can just change these as well. So for the end value, you could turn this way up, and now I can see large things in the background, and the same will apply for the clip start. And if you'd like to learn how to create this stylized synthwave environment that I created with geometry nodes, then you can check out the full tutorial with the link in the video description. You can also check out my Blender Quick Tips playlist to learn more quick tips in Blender. So I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for watching.